Imagine lying in bed at the end of a long day. Your body feels heavy, your muscles tired, and yet your mind is still holding on to fragments of the day. Small moments, worries, or even excitement that won't let go. You press play, and slowly a gentle stream of sound begins to fill the room. It's soft, warm, and steady. The tones seem to wrap around you like a blanket, making every breath feel easier. That's the moment when music becomes more than just sound, it becomes medicine. Healing music for sleep isn't just about creating a nice background. It's about guiding your body and mind into a state where true restoration can happen. When the right frequencies, rhythms, and harmonies meet your brain and body in the right way, something shifts. Your muscles begin to loosen. Your breathing slows without you thinking about it. Your heart rate eases into a calmer rhythm. And your thoughts, they drift like clouds slowly moving across an open sky. This isn't magic, it's biology. The way your body responds to music is deeply wired into your nervous system. It can influence your brain waves, regulate your heartbeat, and even help balance the hormones that prepare you for deep sleep. But healing music also touches something more subtle: your emotions. Certain melodies can release tension you didn't even know you were holding. They can help you process the quiet stress that builds up during the day, making space for emotional lightness. Tonight, we're going to explore how healing music can be your partner in physical and emotional restoration. We'll talk about how it works, what to look for, and we'll also guide you through an immersive sound journey designed to carry you into deep, rejuvenating sleep. So settle in, let your body sink into the surface beneath you, and allow the first notes to wash over you. Your night of healing begins now. Your body responds to music in ways you might not always notice, but those responses can be powerful. When you listen to music, the sound waves travel through the air, enter your ears, and are transformed into electrical signals that your brain can understand. But here's where the magic happens. Those signals don't just stay in the parts of your brain that process hearing. They spread. They connect with areas that control emotion, memory, movement, and even your body's automatic functions like breathing and heartbeat. This is why the right kind of music can slow your pulse without you realizing it. It can make your breathing deeper and more rhythmic. And when your breathing and heart rate shift into a calmer pattern, your nervous system follows. This is the bridge from alertness into relaxation. One of the most important effects music can have on your sleep is its influence on brain waves. When you're fully awake and thinking actively, your brain produces beta waves, fast, alert, and ready to process information. As you begin to relax, those waves slow into alpha waves, which are associated with calm, meditative states. Healing music for deep sleep often uses slow tempos, usually around 60 beats per minute, which naturally encourage your brain to shift into this alpha range. As you drift deeper, your brain moves into theta and eventually delta waves, the slowest, most restorative brainwave states, where your body does its deepest repair work. This is when tissues heal, your immune system strengthens, and your body restores its energy reserves. But physical restoration is only half the story. Healing music can also help balance your emotional state. Throughout the day, your brain processes thousands of small stress signals, from a tense conversation to a traffic jam, from an unread email to to a background sense of pressure. These moments might not feel like much individually, but they add up. When you lie down at night, your body may be still, but your emotional state is still buzzing. Gentle, consistent music can help by reducing levels of cortisol, the hormone most associated with stress, and by increasing dopamine and serotonin, which create feelings of calm and contentment. There's also something uniquely personal about music's emotional impact. A certain chord progression or instrumental tone can trigger a sense of safety or nostalgia, releasing mental knots you didn't even realize were there. This is why it's important to choose music that feels comforting to you. Not just what's popular or recommended, but what makes your chest loosen and your breath slow the moment you hear it. Interestingly, research also shows that repetitive, predictable patterns in music can reduce activity in the amygdala, the brain's alarm center, while activating the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that helps you think clearly and regulate emotions. This means that, in the right conditions, healing music doesn't just make you sleepy, it helps rewire your emotional state toward calm and balance. And here's one more layer. Physical recovery through sleep is more effective when your emotional state is stable. When stress hormones stay high at night, they can interfere with immune function, slow down muscle repair, and make your heart work harder than it should. By calming both the body and the mind, healing music sets the stage for your body's natural recovery systems to work at their best. So, as you listen tonight, remember, you're not just hearing sound. You're inviting a carefully designed flow of frequencies and rhythms to interact with every system in your body, telling each one in its own language. You can rest now. It's safe to heal. Before the first note even plays, the environment you create around you determines how deeply the music can work. Think of it like planting a seed. You can have the healthiest seed in the world, but without the right soil, light, and water, it won't grow. Healing music for sleep works in a similar way. The sound is the seed, and your environment is the soil that allows it to take root in your mind and body. Start with lighting. Light is one of the strongest cues your brain uses to regulate your sleep-wake cycle. As you prepare for bed, dim the lights in your space about an hour before you want to sleep. If you can, use warm tone lighting, soft amber or candle-like shades, because they signal to your body that it's evening. Avoid cold, bright light from overhead bulbs or screens, as they can keep your brain in day mode and block melatonin production. If you must use your phone or tablet, switch on a night mode filter to reduce blue light. Next, temperature. Your body naturally lowers its core temperature as you fall asleep. You can help this process by keeping your room slightly cool, around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. A light blanket or duvet can provide the coziness your nervous system associates with safety, while the cooler air helps your body ease into rest. Then, sound setup. Decide how you want to experience your healing music, through a speaker that fills the whole room, or through headphones or sleep earbuds. Speakers create a more open, spacious feeling, while headphones or earbuds can provide a more intimate, immersive sound. If you choose headphones, make sure they're comfortable enough to wear lying down. Look for flat, padded, or wireless sleep-specific designs that won't press against your ears. Pay attention to volume. Healing music should sit in the background of your awareness, not dominate it. Too loud, and your brain will focus on the music itself instead of letting go. Too quiet, and it may not be enough to mask small noises that could wake you. sweet spot is just loud enough that it blends with your breathing, becoming part of the environment rather than a separate event. Now your body position. Lie down in a way that feels sustainable for a long stretch of time. Most people find lying on their back with arms relaxed at their sides or on their stomach works best for deep relaxation. If you prefer sleeping on your side, place a pillow between your knees to keep your hips aligned. Adjust your pillow so your neck is fully supported and your jaw can relax. Before you start the music, release any physical tension you're carrying. Roll your shoulders slowly forward and backward, stretch your neck side to side, flex and relax your fingers and toes. This simple pre-release sends a signal to your muscles. You don't need to hold me up anymore. You can also take 3 slow, deep breaths, exhaling fully each time to shift your nervous system toward rest. Finally, take a moment to set an intention. This doesn't have to be complicated. It could be as simple as, I allow myself to rest, or I am safe to let go tonight. By pairing this gentle mental cue with the healing music you're about to hear, you're creating an association in your mind. Over time, just starting this routine will be enough to trigger your body's sleep response. Once everything is in place, light softened, air cool, body comfortable, mind open, the music can work without interruption. You've created a container for healing, and all that's left is to step inside. Now that your body is comfortable, your breathing is easy, and your space is ready, imagine the first note of the music arriving like a gentle ripple across a still pond. It's soft, low, and steady, as if it's not just reaching your ears, but also touching your skin and the space around you. The sound doesn't rush, it moves in slow waves, wrapping itself around you in layers. You feel it in your chest, in the rhythm of your heartbeat, in the way your breath naturally matches its pace. As the music continues, subtle tones begin to weave in and out, each one carrying a slightly different warmth, like light shifting through clouds. The melody is slow and unchanging, and that stability tells your mind there's nothing to solve, nothing to analyze. With every passing second, the music draws your focus away from the leftover noise of the day and into a quieter, simpler world. Imagine the sound as a soft current carrying you downstream. You don't have to swim or steer. You only need to allow yourself to be moved. Somewhere in the background, a low, continuous tone hums like the earth's own breath, grounding you, holding you in place. Above it, higher notes drift like fireflies in the night, catching your attention for a moment and then fading back into the whole. The more you listen, the more the edges between you and the music begin to blur. You're not just hearing it, you're inside it. It's around you, within you, moving through you, filling the spaces where tension used to live. Every inhale draws in a little more of its calm. Every exhale releases a little more of your weight into the bed. You can feel your muscles letting go, your jaw softening, your forehead smoothing. Even your thoughts slow down, spacing themselves out until they become like distant shapes in the dark. Present, but not important. In this space, the music is both the guide and the destination, carrying you deeper toward the quiet center of yourself, the place where your body begins its deepest repair and your mind finds its deepest peace. The music begins to shift now, almost imperceptibly, as if it's guiding you to a quieter, deeper place. The notes are slower, longer, and each one seems to linger in the air a little more before dissolving into silence. You notice how the silence between the notes feels as soothing as the notes themselves, like a soft pause that lets your whole body exhale. The lower tones are steady and grounding, almost like a heartbeat that is not your own, but somehow matches yours, holding you steady, reassuring you that you are safe. Over the top, faint shimmering sounds drift in and out, like moonlight touching the surface of still water, here for a moment and then gone. The air around you feels thicker now, almost velvety, as if the music has formed a cocoon where nothing from outside can disturb you. Your breath has become slower without effort, your chest rising and falling in time with a rhythm that has been quietly guiding you from the very first note. The boundaries between sound and sensation blur even more, until you can't tell if you're hearing the music or if the music is simply who you are in this moment. Thoughts may still appear, but they are softer now, without edges, and they drift away as quickly as they come, like leaves floating past on a gentle stream. Every part of you feels heavier, yet lighter at the same time. Heavy enough to sink into the bed, light enough to feel as though you're floating just above it. Your body has given up its last bits of tension, your mind has stopped chasing anything, and all that remains is this steady, slow unfolding of peace. The music continues, wrapping you in layer after layer of calm, until even the idea of staying awake feels unnecessary. The music is now a single, continuous flow, without beginning or end, as if it has always been here and will always be here. You are part of it now, your breath and heartbeat moving with its rhythm, your body completely surrendered to the support beneath you. There is nothing left for you to do, nothing to think about, nothing to hold on to. You've already given your body and mind exactly what they need to begin their own quiet work, repairing, restoring, rebalancing. Each note carries you a little farther from the edges of wakefulness, into a space where time does not matter. The sound is gentle but constant, a reminder that you are safe, that you are exactly where you need to be. Even if a thought drifts in, it dissolves into the music before it can take shape. You may already feel that moment when awareness starts to blur, when you're not quite sure if you're still listening or already dreaming. Let it happen. Follow it. There is no effort here, only allowing. And when your body is ready, it will take you fully into deep healing sleep, where your muscles rebuild, your immune system strengthens, and your mind gently lets go of the weight it has been carrying. If tonight's session has helped you find even a little more calm, I'd love for you to share it with someone who needs the same peace. Let me know in the comments how far you made it before sleep took over. Were you still aware at the end, or did the music carry you away sooner? And if you want more science-backed sessions designed to help you rest better and wake up feeling renewed, subscribe to the Daily Health Shift and turn on notifications so you never miss a night. For now, there's nothing more to say. Only the music, the breath, and the quiet work of your body as it heals. Sleep well.